Hi dear Gemini, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, okay? And yes, keep in mind the roles can be reversed anytime. And second thing, as these are general love readings, these might or might not resonate with you. This might not be your story then, okay? So let's start, Gemini. Let's see what is happening with you guys and with your partner. Okay, Gemini. Your partner's current energy right now is shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Let's see. Four of Wands, yeah, beautiful, beautiful energy. So I feel like right now your partner is celebrating something, some kind of wedding, some kind of ceremony, some kind of engagement, birthday party. There's something that they are celebrating right now. Might be it's your anniversary for some of you. If you guys are in a relationship or you're married, there's something that this person is right now celebrating, and they are in the celebration mode. This is good. Gemini, let's see what your partner is celebrating right now. Let's see. Let's see what they are celebrating. Four of Wands. Beautiful energy of celebration and discipline, and you can say stability as well, because this is 11-11. Yeah. Ten of Wands, Two of Wands, Empress. I feel like this person is feeling like there is some kind of burden that is uplifted from their shoulders. They took some kind of decision that they are going to be really happy in their life. They are going to enjoy life. They are going to enjoy some kind of vacation. So now I'm getting that this person is right now enjoying some kind of vacation or some kind of you can say me time space, and that is why really that is why right now this person is feeling really good, and that is why right now this person is celebrating some kind of victory. Might be they are just celebrating the space, celebrating the me time, okay? But there is, yes, celebration time, celebration mode going on in their life right now. It could be like they are just showing it, they are not really happy from inside. Might be they are just showing it. It could also be possible. We will see as the reading will proceed. Let's see what's your current energy, Gemini. Your current energy right now is, let's see. Queen of Wands, yeah, okay. You're also really passionate about something in your life. Might be you have just started some kind of fitness regime. This is movement, this is action. There's some kind of action that you are doing right now, or you are planning to take some kind of action towards your physique, might be, or you are planning to take some kind of action towards somebody. You are really passionate. You are not you are not giving a fuck to anybody in your life right now, and you are just feeling like, okay, I am going to do whatever I feel like. I'm not going to give any kind of fuck to anybody, not a flying fuck to anybody. Okay, this is your current energy. You have took some kind of decision, and you're really passionate about that. Let's see what is that decision. Might be you are passionate about some person. Might be you are passionate about your fitness regime. There's something that you started, and there's action and movement involved. Lots of action and movement involved in that decision that you took. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands and your current energy. Four of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands and this. Wow, it's like 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 6, 7, 4, 7, 6, whatever it is, like, yeah. Okay, so you are also celebrating something. Yeah, I feel like you both are celebrating something. This is kind of marriage. This is kind of some kind of anniversary. You guys are reliving your past memories with each other, and you're feeling really happy. So now, what I'm getting here, Gemini, is that you both the parties, obviously this is not everybody's story, but both the parties right now are reliving some kind of celebration from the past. This is the thing. So it is like, yeah, right now you guys are celebrating something, and that's related to your past, because might be you guys are feeling like, let's go to another honeymoon, or let's go somewhere where we first met, where we first dated. But there's something related to your past that you guys are right now feeling passionate about and reliving that energy. Might be you guys are doing it separately. If you guys are not together, I feel like you are celebrating something that is related to your past, that you did in the past as well, reliving something, or binding down something, or making some foot forward. You are going some steps forward in your life, related to your committed and commitment, related to your love life, related to your beautiful energy of passion and movement and action. Lots of action I can see here. And in their energy as well, I feel like this person is also celebrating something, self victory. This celebration mode. This is the thing. Yeah, I explained a lot. Yeah, I know. Let's see what this person feels for you, what your person feels for you. Empress, this person is feeling like you are very beautiful, you are very sexy, you are very flirty, and you are carrying lots of beautiful energy of sexiness, hotness, and you look good, you smell good. They feel you are the material of becoming a mother to their kids. Or if you are a female, you are feeling like this person can be father of my kids. Vice versa. Okay. Let's clarify the Empress and their feelings for you. Three of Cups, celebration again, Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles. What I'm seeing here is that this person is feeling like they should reconcile with you. They are feeling like celebrating life with you and starting all over again. And for this reconciliation, for this starting all over again, they are right now working on themselves, on their pentacles, on their business, on their money. This is like they want to be stable first before arriving you, and this person is feeling like yes. Now they are stable, now they can reconcile with you. This is the situation that I'm getting here, Gemini. This person is feeling like you are very beautiful, pretty and flirty and everything good about you. And this person beneath this person wants reconciliation, this person feels like there should be reconciliation. This person feels like you are stable now and you look good, you are having everything good in their life, and they're trying to do the same. Okay, they are also trying to be very very stable money wise as well, financially as well, and in general as well. That's why this person is feeling like they should be like you. This person is feeling like they should be like you. Yeah, now this is the thing that I'm getting here. Let's see what this person wants from you or your person wants from you. Whenever I say this person, lots of people ask me, who is this person? Come on, damn, yeah, come on. Who can be this person? Use your common sense, please. Request. Okay, Page of Swords. This person wants, I feel like this person wants you to see how happy they are. Okay, basically I feel like this person wants you to follow them on Insta or some kind of social media, and this person really wants you to see how happy they are, how good they are doing in their life, and how stable they are right now. They want to show you something. They want you to see what is happening in their life, to dig in their life, okay, and see what is happening. Cool. Let's see. Let's clarify the Page of Swords. Three of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the King of Swords. Okay, I feel like right now this person wants you to. Okay, this is somewhat getting depressing here. I feel like this person wants you to right now see what they are doing, because they are missing you really very very much, and they are concealing. They are hiding their feelings. See, I told you firstly as well, if you remember, that this person might be just showing that they are really happy. They want you to see how happy they are, because they are deep down, you turned your back towards them. They are deeply missing you. They are deeply missing you. This person is waiting on you very eagerly. They are feeling regretful. They are feeling the loss. They are grieving the loss. They are concealing and hiding their feelings. They are concealing and hiding their feelings. Truly, this person wants you to see how happy they are, but they are not, missing you very badly. They are feeling lost without you. Okay, but they are showing that yeah, they are really happy without you as well. I told you so, right? I got the intuition that this person is not really feeling what they are doing. Let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of July. Two of Swords, closed off. I feel like this person, this is the Two of Swords. I feel like this person is not going to reveal their true and inner feelings to you till the 21st of July. They are going to be the same as they are, but they are going to show you that they are really happy without you as well, and their life is really happening right now. Nope, not happening. Let's clarify the Two of Swords. Six of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, this person is right now trying their best to heal from some kind of thing. They are ready to rush into this connection and rush into you again, but they are right now feeling like they are not stable enough for that. and that's why they are trying to be stable first, and then they are going to, you know, talk to you. Might be they are going to reveal what they are doing or what they want from you. But right now I feel like this person is going to be emotionally closed off till the 21st of July. They're not going to reveal anything to you. If you guys right now are not talking to each other, this is going to continue till the 21st of July. Okay, but yeah, this person is definitely showing you something that they are not at all doing. I mean, they are showing you that they are really happy, literally happy, but trust me, they are not. This is the situation here. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. God bless you. Namaste. See you soon in the next reading of July, and God bless you. Bye.